This retro off-roader celebrates Jeep's Willys roots with a touch of post-World War II Americana. It's based on the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe plug-in hybrid, but it's very different from the electric SUV models consumers buy from dealerships. At the bottom, the axles were replaced with beefy Dana 50s with 4.70 gears at both ends. These axles bolt to custom 16-inch vintage-look steel wheels painted in gloss white. The Jeep team wrapped these wheels with long, narrow, and knobby 36-inch Super Traxion tires. 2.0 inches of lift provides more ground clearance. To complete the vintage exterior, the sides of the hood were stamped Willy like on old military Jeeps. Both bumpers were replaced with special steel units with cutting tips. Both of these bumpers feature a helicopter hooks that World War II helicopters installed to carry Jeeps through the air. If things get a little sketchy off-roading, there's a worn 8274 Classic winch up front. The exterior is finished in Element 115 green paint, which contrasts with the gloss black windshield surround and roll bars. Inside, Jeep reupholstered the seats in distressed leather and contrast crow's feet pattern inserts. The covering of the instrument panel matches the houndstooth pattern fabric. For a more military look, the headrests were removed and the carpet was replaced with Jeep Performance Parts vinyl floor covering.